What did she mention?
She mentioned that I left her, right? And she went and got a house for me and Asia and her to be in, correct? She mentioned that because I heard her earlier. I just couldn't talk because you had me muted.
Yeah, she was just cursing instead.
Okay, then.
To put her
right,
out.
But it's a lie. But exactly, and it's a lie. That's how we got on the.
But what I'm saying,
no. I didn't interrupt
Camille,
nobody, right? I didn't interrupt nobody.
No, what I'm saying, that's not. You're not listening. That's not what it's on.
What you mean? No, it wouldn't have been mentioned if she wasn't talking about it. So what are you saying? You can't sit up here and say I left you right when you left the house. You packed up and you left. You left. I didn't put you out of nowhere. So no, you cannot mention it. It was mentioned.
There one time the police then come, the people them want out of
no, you need to say what happened.
The people them want beat me up in my house, them live there, and the police them say them cannot tell the people them to come out me if you go get civil suit for evict them. So me can leave. Camille choose those friends over me, so me have to leave the house, and the next week Camille in a room with the butch.
With the butch. Lock up in a room with the butch. A smoke and a chill.
Y'all don't know what y'all talking about. At the end of the day,
but you literally just said, yes, you were in the room. And
this is a whole different scenario, though. You're adding a different timeline into one. It's a lie.
That's what you just said.
You are.
You just said that.
You're mixing. But listen, I'm talking on the subjects of what she's talking about. She's including different scenarios.
You don't even know what you're saying.
Shut the hell up and listen. She's adding different scenarios.
You remember when you said I was separated? I moved out of the house because the people them beat me up. You said, and you could go when you sleep, them put me out of my house. And when the police they ask who live here, Camille tell the police them say Slim live there, he live there, and me never did go stay in there because Slim said he go fuck me up in my own house, and me never feel slave to stay in there with them, and Camille choose them, and me move out and go get a house, and Camille say she not moving with me, she staying with them. I went and me go around at the house after Camille dress up my room, Camille in a room with the butch.
I want to ask a question, guys. Good evening, PJ. Big up yourself, Prettiidon. Good evening, Cam. I don't want you to feel like ganging up on you or anything.
I don't feel like nobody ganging up on me. I just don't like the fact that they're allowing her to mention all these different times. Now she's making it seem like all of this happened like back to back. All of this shit happened over a 2-year span. At the end of the day, when Venice left that house, she chose to leave that house. I was not included in no argument. I came there.
When I leave the house,
my question to you then.
Hold on. Timeline. You see, when I leave out of that house, when she and the people push me out, was March last year. Listen to me, Zandaya. You said March last year when we move out, she used to come on me yard to and from. You see, one time she used to come on me yard and come fuck many blood clot times. You would never live in the yard. Come chill with me enough time. And Camille, that same Father's Day, they come in dress up my rooms and there. She dress up my room and went and they go outside.
Hold on, let me hear the question.
We had sex one time.
Come. Yeah, there's just one question I want to ask because I've always heard Prettiidon on numerous moments on live in front of World Talk saying that she takes real responsibility for how she messed up and stuff like that. So she has never really presented herself as someone who is flawless. So, but my question to you, Cam, in this breakdown of your marriage, how would you say you have contributed? Like, what responsibility do you take? And I mean genuine responsibility. I don't want you to tell me that I take responsibility because I was dumb enough to trust her, that kind of a thing. I'm a lesbian. You do that you maybe should have thought twice about and did not do. This is a very big question now, Cam. So you want to take some time.
Now, I can say I'm not angry when I say this, right? The things that I don't want to speak about because it was already, put out there without my, okay. When hands was being put on me, I regret not walking away because at the end of the day, I know I'm an open person. Like when I met Pretty, I was always open. I came to her, we talk, like I tell you how I am, what I like from what I don't like, and I expect you to do the same. Now, when I realized that this is how I feel because I told her. I felt as though she was pretending to be a certain person to get with me because she was totally different. When she moved in with me, I had my own place. I didn't depend.
I'm going to just stick a pin. I'm going to stick a pin to remind you what route you should be taking. Because remember, I asked you
about
the question was not the question was not how you blame Dawn. We know because she has told us how much.
Yeah, that's why I said it's not about.